Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to autofit columns and rows in Microsoft Excel according to the text you enter. This will make your spreadsheets much easier to read. So let's dive right into it. When you type something in an Excel worksheet, you will notice that the width of the columns does not always match the length of the text. Sometimes the column is too wide, leaving empty space, and sometimes it's too narrow, cutting off your text. But don't worry, there's a quick solution. By applying Autofit, Excel will automatically adjust the column width so that it perfectly matches the length of the text. Let me show you how. First, select the content that you want to adjust. Then go to the Home tab in the ribbon. From there, click on Format and select Autofit column width. Now the selected columns will automatically resize to fit the content. As you can see, all the text is fully visible. Here's even a quicker method. After selecting the columns that you want to adjust, just place your mouse cursor on the border between two columns. Then double-click the left mouse button. Notice how the columns have automatically resized to fit the text, making everything perfectly visible without any extra click. If you prefer to set a specific column width, Excel makes that easy too. Just select the columns, then mouse right click and choose column width. Here you can type in the exact width that you want and click OK. Excel will apply your custom width to the selected columns. Now, what if you want to apply Autofit to every column in the entire sheet? There's a simple way to do that. Just using a quick code. First, right-click on the Sheet tab at the bottom and select View Code. This will open the Visual Basic Editor. Once there, choose the worksheet and type in sales dot entire column dot autofit. Now exit out of the code editor and autofit will be automatically applied to every column whenever you type something in. And that's it. Now you know how to autofit columns and rows in Excel quickly and easily, whether it's for a few columns or the entire sheet. I hope you found this video tutorial is helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.